Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Unfold the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and press the power button. Once it boots, connect to Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account so settings and apps restore automatically. Make sure battery is above 20% before heavy tasks. Plug in if needed. Insert the physical SIM or activate eSIM, then transfer data using Quick Switch or Google Backup. After initial sync finishes, check for system updates and install them so you have the latest Fold-specific fixes and performance improvements. Once done with the basics, customize how your phone behaves folded versus open. You should enable gesture navigation and adaptive display to balance smoothness and battery life. Make sure multi-window and app continuity are enabled so apps shift seamlessly between the cover screen and inner display. Configure the taskbar for quick app switching, tweak camera folding modes for stabilized shots, and set keyboard placement and edge shortcuts for one-handed typing. These settings improve productivity and prevent accidental taps when you close or open the device. To finish, lock down security. Set fingerprint or PIN and enable Find My Device, then confirm Google Drive backups are active so you don't lose settings. Install and update your core apps, then fit a slim protective case and screen protector designed for the fold. Test hinge motion and perform several open/close cycles to seat the mechanism. If you see screen flicker or app scaling problems, restart into safe mode and reinstall or clear app caches. Most fold mode glitches resolve after an app reset or system update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.